Hello guys, this is Zul. I'm a professional full-time private hire driver, and this is my channel where I give my point of view and insights about this industry, so that all and new drivers can get some ideas of my experience. Especially for new drivers or struggling drivers. For me, my shift is from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. I like to work morning shift because I believe early bird catch the worm, something like that. The early you go out, the faster you get money into your wallet. Okay, unless you are an experienced driver, then you can start to adjust your timing, which time of the day you want to work. Okay, so the safest shift for you to work, in my opinion, is from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. or earlier, 5 a.m. if you can, or 6 a.m. if you can, because before noon you may hit $200 already. If you start at 6 a.m. Usually, if the day are normal, good day, by 12 p.m. you can hit $200 already. Okay, then you can rest, then you can work. So maybe by 6 you can hit $300 already. By 7, $350. Then you can go back. And if your overhead cost is like mine, $100 plus petrol, rental and petrol, earning 300 gross, meaning that you will have about $200 net. Okay, so if you can consistently do that within 1 week, that's gonna be for me, that's gonna be a good income $200 plus minus per day net, times 6 or 7 days, 1,008 or 1,004 times 4, so you can agak-agak about 4,000, 4,005. So try morning shift. If you find it very hard because of the weather, the hot, whatever, then after a few months you adjust. So you have to find your sweet spot. Okay, there are many ways, many shifts to work in a day. You can do split shift, you can do night shift, you can do like me, one straight shift. Okay, so if you are new, you have to find your sweet spot. Which sweet spot do you like to work? Find one and then do it, and then master it until you can get your income regularly. Okay, of course this is business. Income are inconsistent and uncertain. Okay, so that's why it's good to start early, get your money into your wallet, because you don't know what's going to happen in the afternoon. Maybe your wife or your spouse call you back, something happened, or you need to go to work. At least you already have money in your wallet. Okay, as compared to if you go out at night and then something happened in the middle of the day, you cannot work already. Okay, as I said, unless you are already lau chiao, you know your pattern, you work night, you know your standard, then by all means. But if you are new, the best thing is to start as early as possible, so that when you start early, you quickly put in money into your wallet. Then if you are doing good, you can choose to go back, or if you're too chiong, you can go further to evening, you can earn even more. Right? That's how you can earn even more, and then you can still sleep at night at home. Okay, so this is my advice. If you want to earn $300 per day, start in the morning. Okay, don't waste time. Break when you need to makan, and toilet break, and then move. Okay, do not dilly-dally here and there, because time is our commodity. We trade our time for money. If the time we have in our hand, let's say 10 hours, we throw away. We go to bird shop, we go to fish shop, we meet our friends. Then by the time you want to work, your commodity already lessen, your capital already lessen. Then your income will be less. Then you have to stretch until night. Then you spend a lot of time outside. So be efficient driver. Go out in the morning, hit the road, get your money, okay, as quickly as you can, and then decide you want to pangkang or you want to get more money. Okay, so hope this will give you some ideas. Thank you so much. If you have any comments, question, you can ask in the comment section. Don't forget to click subscribe, okay, and share this video. Thank you so much, guys.